What I'm going to show you today is where to go to complete the Graduate Plus Loan application. First, you will go to your favorite browser and type in www.studentloans.gov. This takes you to the FSA webpage. The first thing you're going to do is log in. You'll log in with your FSA ID and password. If you do not have an FSA ID and password, you can create one right here. So let's get started. Let's log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to read and accept the disclaimer, and you will find your home page. You will be able to see your name up here in the right-hand corner. The next thing you're going to do is go to the fourth button down and click on Apply for a Direct Plus Loan. Scroll down to where it says Direct Plus Loan for Graduate or Professional Students and hit Start. Here is where you will do the loan application in 4 easy steps as shown at the top. Once you have completed the application, you're going to go up here to the menu in the upper right corner and click on the ellipse and go to your account and then to your home page. You will then go in and complete the Master Promissory Note, or MPN, for your Graduate Plus Loan. That you will do the third button down, Complete Loan Agreement, Master Promissory Note. You want to click on that, and you will see where it says Plus MPM for Graduate Professional Students. This is where you will complete the Plus MPN for your Graduate Plus Loan. If you have any questions, please rewatch this video or call the Financial Aid Office.